we'll go ahead and just talk about how the mix comes and everything now, because I think it's kind of a good segue. So when you order mix from us, you have to order what we call a bundle at a time. And it's 2 of these cases that are shrink wrapped together and sent out to you. So it's 2 boxes at a time, 15 bags in each box. So every time you order, the minimum order is going to be the 30 bags of mix, because it's 2 of these put together. I got this one because it is the red letter printing. And the red letter printing is there for a reason. Normally, these boxes are going to have black letter printing. And every other bundle you order, one of these boxes is going to have the red letter printing on it. And I keep saying that because there's a reason for it. Inside the box with the red letter printing is always going to be the replacement belt set. So when you get a new machine, it has brand new belts on it. You get the first bundle, that's 30 bags of mix. You order again. Now that's the second bundle, it's another 30. So 30 and 30, 60. After you go through those 2 bundles of mix, the machine is going to want a replacement belt set. So when you see these in the red box, definitely open them up, take this out, put it somewhere safe. You don't want to lose it. And then on the back here is basically like a credit card number. And you have to enter this into the machine to let it understand that new belts have been fitted. And then that's what resets that counter on the machine. If you don't change the belts and reset that counter, eventually the machine will stop working because the belts are Teflon based and they need to be changed out after every 60 bags of mix you go through.